The following portion of Good Day PA is sponsored by Members First Federal Credit Union, marking Member Appreciation Month. President and CEO Mike Wilson is with me. Member Appreciation Month at Members First. Congratulations. But what does it really mean?
Thank you. Well, great question. So actually, each year we celebrate Member Appreciation Month. We choose April because it is actually when our credit union was born 76 years ago.
Good.
And so this is our way of just saying thank you to our members and stopping to take a moment and intentionally pause and demonstrate our gratitude to our member owners.
Let's go a little more in depth here, like
Sure.
how you're thanking your customers, how you are celebrating your members. What are you doing?
Sure. Well, each year has a theme. This year is called Miles of Gratitude, and it celebrates the journey of our 630,000 members. 25,000 of those members are small businesses in the region. So we thought, a couple of different ways to do that. Well, one, we have a fairly wide footprint, and we want to be grassroots and local to everything we do. So we have some locally curated gift baskets that we're giving away. We also have 10 random $100 deposits that are just going to pop up.
That'd be so fun.
Yes, before the end of the month. Some in business, some in member accounts, and others in youth accounts as well. We are also, if you stop in at a branch, and we have 61 of them all over here, stop in at a branch while supplies last, you get a complimentary canvas travel bag with a luggage tag, and then of course 4 grand prizes at a beach house getaway to the shore.
Oh my.
Yes.
You should sign up to be a member now.
So miles
right?
of gratitude indeed.
Miles of gratitude for sure. And Mike, I've gotten to know you many years here on the show, and you consistently talk about that credit union difference. So let's really stress that though, and why that's important and why that's embraced.
Sure. The biggest thing is, our members are not customers. They own the place, right? And so, again, it's important for us to be mindful of that. We want to demonstrate gratitude and thanks to our members, but more importantly, because they own it and our members are our owners, we're able to reinvest back into the business. So that means favorable rates, both loans and deposits to our members. It also means financial literacy. It means giving back to the community. And it's just our way of demonstrating how much we appreciate our member owners.
I would bet that there are quite a few folks who still at this point don't quite understand the difference between like a bank and a credit union, but there really is a difference.
Yeah, and the biggest difference is just the ownership structure, right? So for example, our board, they're wonderful. They're volunteers, so they're fiduciaries for a very large company, but they don't get paid. And so structurally, it's just a fundamental difference in the model. And all good institutions, right? It's just a different foundation and structure and how the model works.
Yeah, and it works. The model works. What do you hope members take away from this month?
What I hope that members take away is, listen, we're in some uncertain times, right? And everybody's paying attention to what they're spending, how they're spending it right now. This is a great way of us just saying thank you, spreading some gratitude and positivity during these times, and just to be able to give back to our members. And so when you're a member owner, that's our obligation, is to be able to give back and say thank you for all that you do.
It's totally refreshing. So thank you so much, and great having you here with us today. The previous portion of Good Day PA was sponsored by Members First Federal Credit Union.